With that handshake right there and that scribble, the however you want to say it, either the worst kept secret or the best reported rumor is official. Chase Sexton, which pretty much everyone knew, has signed with Red Bull KTM, leaving Honda, which has been, I think, his only brand before. And now he's, the Red Bull guy. He's gonna number one for Supercross, and because he won that title, he gets to choose a single digit, so he chose number 4. So he'll be running number 4 for motocross because obviously he didn't win that championship. But we all know for the last couple of years that Cooper Webb hasn't been very happy with that bike. Let's put it nicely. But the two of them are very different. Obviously, Chase is a bigger guy, taller, longer legs, and who knows, maybe that frame, that bike is going to fit him and suit him better than it did Cooper Webb, who was obviously a little bit shorter legs. He might have a better chance, or Chase might have a better chance on the whoops to make it actually work for him. The only real question is it going to be, does his problems, or I don't know how to word it, his inability to not fall all the time, is it going to carry over into this team? Because obviously I bet his contract was huge, being a supercross winner last year. So right off it's not like a couple years later or something. And I guess second in MX, like looking like he was fast. His contract with KTM must be massive. So it's going to be the question of, can he, one, move there, develop the bike to his standards or his comfort level, however he wants it. And two, is he going to be able to be fast? Because you have Chet, you have Ken Roxon back, Cooper Webb's back on Yamaha, you have, everyone back healthy, Anderson, Plessinger on his team, just like, all the people that are going to be at Supercross, going to be looking for a championship, going to be fast. Is he going to keep up the speed that he had and be able to cut down on the problems? Who knows? In the comments below, you tell me though. What do you think of it? Are you happy you went to KTM? Do you like the bike? Do you like the numbers on it? Whatever it is, comment it down below. And while you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.